We're gonna get him some fresh off clothes because he likes to look fresh when he goes to the fucking club.
Her name is like Carrie, and I saw her the other day, and she was like, "Damn, what's wrong with that nigga?"
I just got you on camera.
Oh my god. Let's go, we gotta go.
That's Leo. He just sounded like a girl. And then like Leo was laying down and he's gay and
then like Carrie just wouldn't stop recording. And I was like, God damn, stop already. And then it's like,
and then she was like, Raisin.
And then it's like, we gotta go pick up some fucking clothes already. I've seen so many gay guys. I got to practice with them.
And when Leo dances, do your arms.
And then when like I dance, I like to throw my hands everywhere. And it's like a big ass rave. Right, yeah, you're fun. Close. So I'm gonna look like a hot
I'm the
mess.
paparazzi.
Oh my god, look at this girl.
What? Ew! That's an ugly picture. So say your final goodbyes. Oh, because I'm in the mirror over here.
Alright, goodbye.
That's it.
And like, goodbye.